Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best 8-fig versus traditional loan. If you're an e-commerce seller looking for capital to scale, you've probably hit the wall of traditional bank loans. I certainly did. When I first started to see real growth in my online store, I needed to buy inventory and manage my supply chain. So I walked into a bank. What did they ask for? Years of tax returns, a detailed business plan that felt like a novel, and often collateral, like putting my house on the line. The process was slow, rigid, and honestly, they didn't quite understand the fast, fluctuating nature of my e-commerce business. The money came in one lump sum, which was too much at first, and then I was locked into fixed monthly payments, regardless of my sales. When a product line dipped seasonally, that fixed payment absolutely crushed my cash flow. That's where 8-fig came in, and my experience completely changed. 8-fig is designed specifically for online sellers. The first major difference is the application process. Instead of a mountain of paperwork, they connect directly to my store and bank data. Their platform, which they call an AI CFO, analyzes my actual sales, my supply chain needs, and my projected growth to create a customized growth plan. The funding itself is the biggest game changer. It's continuous and cash flow friendly. Unlike that one-time bank lump sum, 8-fig disburses funds to me incrementally, aligning with my supply chain schedule, meaning I get the cash precisely when I need to pay for manufacturing, freight, or logistics for a specific batch of inventory. And the repayment? It's flexible. My repayment schedule is tied to the expected revenue from those specific inventory batches. If my sales unexpectedly slow down, I can actually submit a change request through their platform, and the schedule can be adjusted. This is the opposite of the bank's rigid, fixed payment model that punishes any sales fluctuation. Also, it's equity-free. I don't give up any ownership in my company. And instead of complicated interest rates, they charge a transparent fixed cost of capital for the funding plan. So, for my e-commerce business, the choice became clear. A traditional loan is a static financial product built for old-school brick-and-mortar stability. 8-fig is a dynamic financial partner built for the speed, data, and volatility of the modern online marketplace. It gave me the capital and the control I needed to truly scale without risking everything I own. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.